Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here, and welcome to my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. If you are new onto this channel, please subscribe it so you can get the maximum update about yoga. So guys, today I'm here to teach you about the standing series about weight loss. So in this I will teach you the sun salutation and the different variations, so easily you can reduce your weight. So guys, let's start with me. So we'll start with the standing position. So first, keep your feet together and try to straight your leg, try to keep your back straight. Put your hands to the side. Just first take inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now very gently just raise your hands up, take inhale, look up and then exhale. Look down. One more time. Inhale, raise your hands up, look up and exhale, then look down. So here open your legs to the side, open hand to the side, shoulder level, take inhale, exhale, now bend to the side and look up. Come in center, take inhale, exhale, now on to the opposite side. One more time, take inhale, exhale, now bend to the side, come back, inhale and exhale to the opposite side. So here you can do it 5 to 7 times bending. You can do the same bending with the both hands up. You can make finger lock here. Take inhale, just straight your hand and lift your shoulder up. Slowly bend to the right. With the exhalation, just try to hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, take inhale, lift shoulder again and slowly bend, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale, then relax your hands down. So here you can hold your waist, just rotate your hip. You can rotate your hip clockwise and anti-clockwise, both sides we have to do it 5 to 7 times. Again hip rotation. Yes. So now from here we'll start with the sun salutation. First we'll do the traditional simple one, sun salutation. So for that, put your both palm front of your chest, raise your hands up, inhale, exhale, now bend your back, come back, inhale, exhale, go lengthen down, put your hand to the side of your feet and look down. Now look front, put your right leg back, put your left leg back, drop your knee down, inhale, exhale, drop your chest down. Now lift your chest up, inhale, shoulder down, exhale, now come to the downward facing down and look down. Right leg up, inhale, exhale, look front. Put your left leg front, hold your ankle and look down. Raise your hands up, inhale, exhale, bend your back. Come back, inhale, then exhale. Now bend your legs, hands up, both palms together. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Straight your leg, inhale, exhale, now bend front, just straight your leg here, hand to the side and look down. So here put your right leg back, drop your heel down, hands up, take inhale and exhale. Just try to stay in this pose. 5, warrior 1, Veerbhadrasana, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hands down, take inhale, exhale, now put your left leg back, come to the plank position, drop knee, inhale, exhale, drop your chest down, keep your elbow close here, lift your chest up, take inhale, look up, shoulder down and exhale, come to the downward facing dog. So remember here your hand should be straight, your leg should be straight. Try to touch your feet to the floor, push your hip out and then right leg up, inhale, Exhale. Put your right leg front, left heel down 40 degree, and your both feet same line, both hands up. Take inhale, exhale, hands up. So here remember, just your knee and ankle will be aligned in the same line, and your hip also at the same line. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hands down. Take inhale, exhale. So here you can hold your ankle, look down. Now again bend your knee, hands up. Take inhale, both palm together and exhale. Now hold your waist, keep your elbow close, inhale and exhale. Just try to bend your back and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale. Again down, put your hands to the side, look down. Now put your right leg back, heel down, and come again to the warrior 2 pose. So here again your knee ankle same line, keep your back straight and look up at your right palm. Just stay in this pose. 5, try to drop your hip little bit down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Straight your leg, inhale, exhale, come to the triangle pose. Try to touch your finger to the floor. If you cannot touch, you can hold your leg also. Be sure your both hands should be straight at the same line. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale. Now bend front. Just try to keep your back straight. 5, drop your hip little bit down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hand down. Take inhale, exhale again, straight hand over the head and look up. 5, try to touch your hand with your ear. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale and exhale. Come to the downward facing dog here. So here now we'll do with the opposite side. Now right leg up, inhale and exhale. Just drop your heel down. So here again you can see it from the back side. Leg 90 degree, keep your back straight, open hand on to the side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just straight leg, inhale, exhale, come to the triangle pose, Trikonasana. So here you have to look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bend your knee. Take inhale, open hand and exhale. Just bend front. 5, 4, 3, back straight, leg straight here. 2 and 1. Hand down. Take inhale, exhale. So here you have to open your chest and lengthen on to the side. 5, look up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hand down. Take inhale and exhale, downward facing dog. One more time. So here you have to hold the pose. 5, look down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. This time heels up, bend your knee, jump. Inhale, exhale. Now hold your ankle and look down. Again bend your leg, hands up, inhale, look down and exhale. Just belly in, straight hand, shoulder little behind, look down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Straight leg, inhale and exhale, then relax hand. So here little bit sequence, you can do it every day. And more here we will do little bit jumping also. So for the jumping also you can do the simple jump onto the front feet. So for that you can hold the waist here and just jumping this one. So here you can jump for 1 minute, continue. So here you can raise your hands up also. you can open your leg also, this one. So all the jumpings you have to do it for 1 minute and the 2 minute time. And more about open your leg, and then right foot right side, left foot left side. Bend your both legs and hands up. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So here also you can do it 10 times. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your leg. Inhale, exhale. Just slightly bend to the side. Come back, inhale and exhale. Opposite side. Now both palm together, try to hold it more. 5, drop your hip little bit down and keep your back straight. 3, 2 and 1, just straight leg. Inhale and exhale, and keep your feet together. Inhale and exhale. So guys, this is some pose in the standing position. You can practice it every day and you can get the benefit from this, and easily you can lose your weight. So thank you so much guys. If you like my video, please give me your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe Jai Yoga. Thank you so much. You are Ajay. Namaste. Hari Om.